Yes, and also go deeper into software engineering as well, because I plan to transition from front end to back end soon. So software engineering and game development. So that's what I plan to do.
That sounds great. Nice plan, Janet. Just remember that we are always here for you. If you need any help, you need resources, you need reviews, whatever it is you need, there's always Inspire Up Initiative ready to offer, our help in any way possible. Okay. Mercy, you can go next. Hi, Mercy.
Hi, sorry. Yes. I think I'm just going to, in general, be a better developer. I had imposter syndrome for developing before. Like, I didn't want to code or anything. I wanted to just really project management. But I think my mentor was actually encouraging. As Ezekiel once said, the part of being a developer is finding how to solve your problems. So yes, I'm not running away from problems anymore. I'm just going to find how to become a better developer, and just basically maybe I'll transition into backend. But yes, I'll be open minded to being a developer this year.
Nice, nice. Great, great one, Mercy. And we are very happy that at least your mentor has been able to change a bit of your mindset, because it is really understandable, right, to be scared of writing codes, to be scared like, oh, this is going to take a lot of time for me to learn, or this thing is like very difficult, I can't do it. And that is perfectly understandable. Everybody experience imposter syndrome, but we're very glad that you've been able to overcome that. I mean, you've been able to become more confident in yourself, that you can learn whatever it is that you set out to do. And nice work. I mean, we see from the presentation that was done today how much work, how much effort, how much you've learned. And we believe that going forward, you are going to become better in your craft. So great work, Mercy. Okay. I think Ambibola, are you there? All right. Ambibola, are you there?
Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes, I
I
can.
was I was kicked out and my battery is even very low, so I'm so sorry about that. All right. So my plan is to learn more because learning never stops. This is just the beginning of greater things to come. And you don't learn a skill to keep it, you learn it to make do with it, to use it. So I see myself developing websites and other things. You don't understand, I'm going higher because, like I said earlier, it's my desire. It has been my desire, and this opportunity came. So, with it, I'm also going to learn more and improve on myself and reach out to you guys if I need more help, which I believe you'll be ready to help me. So thank you so much. It's going to be a wonderful time. I hope to give you more testimonies about my progress in life as regards design track in the nearest future. Thank you so, so much. God bless you.
Great. Thank you so much for your wonderful words, Ambibola. That was really awesome. And we are glad to see how open you are to learning, how open you are to, improving yourself. And we can't wait to see how far you are going to go. So thank you so much. All right. I think goodness, you can go next.
Okay, hi, good afternoon, everybody. My plans for this course, I took the front end team, and I'm already working on a project currently for my IT. So yeah, I'm still incorporating what I learned in Inspire Hope Initiative with the work. And I know I'll still reach out to Ezekiel. So please, Ezekiel, hi. I'll still reach out to you. Thank you very much. This cohort was really grateful. It took me out of tutorial hell because we finally implemented what we were seeing. And I'm very grateful. Thank you once again, Ezekiel. I stressed him out a lot. And he knew when to tell me no. I went to say, okay, let me help you. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you so much for that goodness. Thank you so much, Ezekiel. Yes, that sounds wonderful. We are glad to see that you'll be able to implement some of the skills that you've learned here on the projects that you are currently working on. And one thing I'm also going to mention is all of you can collaborate with each other. I mean, if you have an idea or something you would like to build just to have in your portfolio, right? You have designers here, you have front end devs here, we have data scientists there. So you can reach out to anybody, just to collaborate and work together with each other. So that will give you an opportunity for you to solidify your skills to, have a project, something that you can boast of at the end of the day that this is what you've built with the knowledge that you've learned. And that would actually to still give you an edge when you're applying to jobs or when you're applying for internships. So yes, please reach out to each other, collaborate with each other, just try as much as possible to take advantage, right, of the access that you have to your other mentees in the group. All right. I think Priska.
Okay, good afternoon, everybody. So, basically, my plans moving forward, I have a couple of product ideas I feel I want to work on. So, I'm going to try to work. I'm going to try to work on them while I'll just to put them out there. I don't care how bad they looks. How bad it looks, I'll put it out there while still learning and developing myself, and also try to apply for volunteer roles and internship roles too. So that's my plan moving forward. Thank you.
Awesome. That sounds great. Yes. And I like that you mentioned volunteer roles because that is very important. That's something you could take advantage of. With the skills that you've learned, I believe they have given you an edge to start applying for those roles. So if you have anybody close by, you have friends, you have family members that that if you volunteer these your skills, if you give out these your skills, it's going to help them, it's going to benefit them. You should take initiative to do that. That's something that you can also add to your resume at the end of the day. Volunteer roles count for jobs. They do count. So take advantage of it. You could also go online on LinkedIn, wherever it is. Anytime you see volunteer opportunities that are open, you can apply. It's a chance for you to, better your skills, for you to gain experience. Right? So don't be against it. Don't be against it. So nice one, Priska. All right, Flora, you can go next.
Yeah, okay, good afternoon, everyone. Um, I actually really didn't have more time to practice on my own, but thank God I'm actually done with my studies last week. So I have the whole time to study more and develop myself. And I also go for voluntary role, just like how Priscilla have said, because I actually have a project in my mind, maybe creating a design for my local church. And I'm going to reach out to my colleagues because they were amazing during our project. Thank you, ma'am.
Oh, right. I forgot I was muted. So yes, nice one. I think Pamela. Was it Pamela that spoke just now?
No, Flora.
Flora. Okay, yes, apologies. Right. So nice one. And yes, I like the fact that you are open to sharing your skills, right? And like you said, building something for your church is a perfect way to give out your skills, right? It's a perfect way to gain experience, to gain knowledge. Because once you've built that thing and your church members are able to interact with it, you will gain experience. You'll be able to reiterate on that flow over and over and over again till you gain a perfect flow for them to interact with. So that's a great initiative. That's a great suggestion that you brought up. And for everyone on the call, if that's something you'd like to do, please try as much as possible to take initiative right? You can bring it up with people in your church. You can bring it up with them. They don't have to like bring it up themselves. You can just like meet one of them and be like, "Oh, I would like to build this thing for our church," right? And once you start, you find out that it's going to help you. The experience you are going to gain through working on that is going to help you. All right, I think someone asked for my name. My name is Lovett Omokaro. I think I hid my name a lot. And at the start of the program, I just like wanted to be like Inspire Hope Initiative, but then I realized that, oh, Inspire Hope Initiative is my vision. So if I have to like, you know, be Inspire Hope Initiative, I also do not have to like keep hiding myself. So yeah. I will share my LinkedIn on the announcement channel at the end of today's session. So if you want, you can follow me. If you don't want, you can decide not to follow me too. So that's perfectly fine. I think the last person that has to go is Pamela. Let me see. Is she still on the call? Okay, I don't think she's on the call anymore. All right. So one thing I just realized is that I forgot to record the. I mean, I went live stream. I started the live stream on YouTube, but I forgot to click on the start live stream button. So that means everything that we've done today, it's not recorded anywhere. It's not showing on YouTube. You cannot go find it again. Oh my goodness. And I just realized it after the live streaming stopped the first time. So, oh no. But anyways, I guess we can end it here now. So thank you so much everyone for joining today's session. Thank you so much for presenting your ideas. Thank you so much for being open to learning. Thank you so much to all the wonderful mentors for sharing your skills, for being open to answer queries and questions from your mentees. Thank you so much. I mean, I can't begin to say how happy I am, how grateful I am for this opportunity, and how grateful I am for the fact that you were able to bring out time, you were able to free out time from your busy schedule to work on this with me, right? Thank you so much, mentors, and thank you so much to all the mentees. I mean, at the start of this program, I decided to put it weekly because I understood that a lot of you are busy during the day. And even at that, there are still some people that are busy during the week and they still took out their time to participate in this program. And that is something I'm really grateful for. So thank you so much, everyone, for joining the program and for staying till the end. I'm really proud and I can't wait to see what you are going to build, the awesome impact you are going to make in your community and within your family. So thank you so much. I'm going to share the certifications next week. So expect an email from Inspire Up Initiative. So thank you so much, everyone. Thank
Thank you
you. Bye
too. This
bye.
wouldn't have been possible without you. So thank you very much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you so much. God
Bye.
bless you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Ma. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.